Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable the quick view in Prestashop in 2024. So quick view will allow customer to get a quick overview of your product without leaving the current page, enhancing their shopping experience, which is very good. So let's dive into the steps on how to enable the quick view in PrestaShop. And so let's stick by this video and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and access the back office. For me to do so, I'll go here and access the demo so you can access the back office. For you, if you have PrestaShop installed, it's good. If you don't, and you know it will require from you to get a hosting provider and a lot of other stuff, you can simply just install it on your local host. I've already made a video about this. If you don't want to check it out, you can simply just go to the URL section, type install like PrestaShop on local host, hit the enter button, go to the first link, and as you can see in here, you will find an article on how to install it on your local host. Follow this article. Steps are highlighted here, and the details if you scroll down. So if you go through all of steps, you'll have access to your back and front office, and you'll have access to everything. So for me, he'll just go to the back office in the demo, so I can show you like the exact steps. For you, of course, make sure to go and access yours also. So once you do so, once you access the back office, you will need to go to and navigate to the shop parameters section on the left menu. On that shop parameter, you'll find product settings. Click on it, and this will take you to the product settings page where you can confirm various products related options. In the product settings page, you can scroll down to find the products page section. And this section will normally contain settings related to how products are displayed on your store. You can look for option labeled as enable quick view, and this option will allow you to turn on the quick view feature for your products. Of course, if you enable the checkbox, once you check the box of enable quick review or quick view feature, the quick review feature will be enabled or activated on your store. So as we said before, we'll just go to the shop parameters. Here we'll go to the product settings, as we said. And here, as you can see, you'll find basically everything. So on your products stuff. So as you can see, general product settings. So catalog mode disable the shopping cart on your store. Visitors will be able to browse your products catalog, but not buy them. So if you want to enable this, but it's not good. Of course, here are other things like number of days, which products considers new, max sizes, short description, quantity, discounts based as example, force updates, activates new products, etc., default order priority, default behavior, etc., display available quantity, etc., a lot of things. So if you don't want to see show quantity as example, you can simply just disable this option, save it, and it will not show quantity of all the products. And you can even disable this add to cart when products has attributes, etc. For product stores like enable stock management, you can disable it or enable it. But where's the quick view as example? If we scroll down here, so nothing in appearing as you can see. So where's it exactly? So basically, all you can do here is simply for this as example, if you go here and click on view my store, so let me just show you. So if people are clicking on it, as you can see, quick view normally enabled, as you can see, per default. So if you go to any products, quick view, as you can see, is enabled per default on your store. If it's not enabled, which is possible, then you can simply just go and check for whatever you want. And here, normally you'll find it here in the shop parameters, then simply product settings. But since it's all normally like, or you can simply go to the help as example, like you can simply see here how to do that, how to enable it if you didn't find this enabled. But normally it should be enabled per default, as I said. If it's not enabled per default, then you can simply check for whatever you want, as you can see. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.